Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to share 100 plus common English questions. Okay, so without saying let's begin. How do you go to school? How do you go to school? What is your friend's name? What is your friend's name? What do you two usually do after school? What do you two usually do after school? What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? What do you two eat and drink for breakfast? What do you do eat and drink for breakfast? What do you do? What do you do? Where does your father work? Where does your father work? How often does your mother cook soup? How often does your mother cook soup? How do you usually spend your free time? How do you usually spend your free time? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? What are you wedded? What are you wedded? Who is the oldest in your family? Who is the oldest in your family? What are you interested in? What are you interested in? Who is the most beautiful woman in the world? Who is the most beautiful woman in the world? Which one is more important, love or money? Which one is more important, love or money? How many brothers and sisters have you got? How many brothers and sisters have you got? How much money have you got? How much money have you got? How many children has your mother got? How many children has your mother got? How many mobile phones does your father have? How many mobile phones does your father have? What time do you sleep? What time do you sleep? What do you do before you sleep? What do you do before you sleep? What you do eat lunch? What you do eat lunch? What time does your school start? What time does your school start? What time do you arrive home? What time do you arrive home? What can you do? What can you do? What can't you do? What can't you do? How often do you play computer games? How often do you play computer games? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? What is your best friend's name? What is your best friend's name? What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? Hey, what's your name? What's your name? My name is Rohan. My name is Rohan. Hey, what's your name? My name is Rohan. Rohan, how are you? Rohan, how are you? I am fine. Thank you. I am fine. Thank you. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. Rohan, are you married? Are you married? No, I am single. No, I am single. Rohan, are you married? No, I am single. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from also Norway. I am from also Norway. Rohan, where are you from? I am from also Norway. How was your day? How was your day? Very productive. Very productive. How was your day? Very productive. Why do you study English? Why do you study English? Because I like to immigrate to the US. Because I like to immigrate to the US. Why do you study English? Because I like to immigrate to the US. What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink, Rohan? Just water for me. Just water for me. What would you like to drink? Just water for me. How was the party? How was the party? Small, what fun! Small, what fun! How was the party? Small, what fun! What is the matter? What is the matter? I am not feeling so good. I am not feeling so good. What is the matter? I am not feeling so good. What is the weather like today? What is the weather like today? Gorgeous, a perfect summer day. Oh, gorgeous, a perfect summer day. What is the weather like today? Oh, gorgeous, a perfect summer day. What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? I usually hung out with my friends. I usually hung out with my friends. What do you do in your free time? I usually hang out with my friends. Have you finished studying? Have you finished studying? Yes, I have finished. Yes, I have finished. Have you finished studying? Yes, I have finished. Is it possible? Is it possible? Absolutely possible. Absolutely possible. Is it possible? Absolutely possible. Is your brother here? Is your brother here? Yes, he is here. Yes, he is here. Is your brother here? Yes, he is here. What do you think? What do you think? I think it should be done. I think it should be done. What do you think? I think it should be done. When does the game begin? When does the game begin? It will start shortly. It will start shortly. When does the game begin? It will start shortly. What's your last name? What's your last name? My last name is Roy. My last name is Roy. What's your last name? My last name is Roy. When would you like to meet? When would you like to meet? I'd like to meet you at night. I'd like to meet you at night. When would you like to meet? I'd like to meet you at night. You are very smart. Rohan, you are very smart. Really? Thank you so much. Really? Thank you so much.